Magandang araw, ako po si Benji Chodoro. Ngayon ay September 29, 2020. Welcome sa Tuesday edition ng The Stock Market Today. Tutunghayan po natin ang pinaka-latest news sa inyong paboritong stocks at ang nangyari sa Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Una pong balita natin ay mula sa Philippine Star at ito po ay tungkol sa index kahapon. Stocks recover slightly, investors still cautious. So tumaas ang konti ang ating index ng 10.35 points or 0.29% to finish at 3530.98. Ayon kay Chris Magnon ng AAA Southeast Equities, the PSEI ended slightly higher yesterday, mainly flat on very low trading volume as investors wait for more signs of economic recovery. At yung pangalawa nating balita ay tungkol sa Cebu Landmasters mula sa Business World. Cebu Landmasters finishes 3-tower condo in CDO. Listed property developer Cebu Landmasters recently completed a 1.2 billion 3-tower residential condominium in Mindanao, turning over more than half of its units to owners. And this is the third completed project under the company's mid-market garden series, which mainly contributed to its first semester revenue of 3.5 billion, closely matching its 2019 record. At isa pang balita natin ay mula rin sa Business World. IMI. Tungkol sa IMI. IMI units share tumble in New York's Bourse debut. A unit of Ayala-led integrated Electronics Incorporated started trading at the New York Stock Exchange, where its shares fell at the opening. I think IMI is also a stock in the PSE, so we'll take a look at IMI later. So on its first day, it opened at $12 per share. Its price even fell as much as 35%, according to the Reuters report. This was probably because investors find it overvalued at more than $300 million. The Germany-based firm, which is 76% owned by IMI, filed for a registration statement related to its initial public offering, where the United States Securities and Exchange Commission in early September. Okay, so we'll take a look at IMI later. In the meantime, if this is your first time to tune in, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so I can continue to give the stock market reports and maintain the channel. And I also invite you to, before we go to the PSEI, I invite you to read the reminders. And after that, we will go to the PSEI. Okay, it's 1:12 in the afternoon. Kasasara lang po ng PSE. Tignan po natin kung anong nangyari sa index. The index closed 19.79 points lower than the previous, or 0.34%. So sideways pa rin po ang kanyang movement, and it is at support. Nasa support level po siya since 4 days ago. So ito yung kanyang support level, and the next support is here. Total volume is 1.45 billion, valued at 5.67 billion. Wala pa pong data on net foreign buying or selling. And then, let's go to the most active stocks. So I'll be reviewing the following. Dito, tingnan natin yung here. Yan. Dito, MBT, BDO, JFC, Now, PX, APX, PNB, CLI, and IMI. And Dito was the most active stock today at 684 million pesos value. And one of the highest gainers. Okay, so let's take a look at Dito. Dito had a breakout today. It started yesterday and it opened at 4.70 and it ended up 50 points or 0.50 points higher at 4.99 or 11.14%. So, yung mga nakapasok dito at 11.70, congratulations. And since there is volume, there is momentum on the stock. And if you will see the indicators, they're all lined up. The 20-day exponential moving average, the 50 EMA and the 100 EMA, all perfectly lined up, indicating a bullish momentum. Also, the RSI is above 80, indicating a bullish momentum also. Although some would say that this is oversold, let us see the directional movement index. If it is over 30, then there is a trend. So it's 46, so it's over 30 and therefore there is a trend. So we can disregard the RSI as being oversold because it will continue to be at that level because there is a strong trend. So ano ngayon ang resistance ng stock? Tingnan natin. So weekly. We'll place it first at weekly. Ang resistance ng stock is actually nasa resistance na siya. Pero ang next resistance level is here. 5.5 or 5.4. Mga 5.5. Yan. Here. And I see it. I see the price will continue to move higher if the volume will be sustained. Okay, so congrats to those na nakapasok kanina and to those joining in the Trading Cup 2020 who was able to buy this stock. Best seller tong stock na ito. Okay, let's take a look at another MBT. MBT also had a good run. Let's see. Ayan, nag-cross na siya ng EMA 20. Dito pa lang sa setup ko, bibili na ako dito eh. Monday, kung ita-trade ko to, bumili na ako dito yesterday. Because nag-cross na yung EMA 20 sa EMA 50, indicating a bullish momentum or trend. Let's take a look at the DMI or Directional Movement Index. 21. So it's almost there. Although the DMI does not register a trend, the indicators is telling us that there is a trend. Even the RSI is telling us that it is very bullish. So the resistance that I see here is nandito siya. Resistance na kasi ito eh. Pero ito yung pinakamalapit. 39.5. Tingnan natin yung SNR ni Investograms. Almost kapareho, 39.48. Yung second resistance is 43. So yan yung resistance 1, yung 39.5. Okay, and is there volume? Yes, there's volume. So I think the price will still move upward in the following day. But you better have your risk management stop loss ready. Okay, let's take a look at another stock. Now, BDO. Bumaba si BDO. Let's see. It's a red candlestick, but here it's green because the comparison here is against the previous day's close. So it opened at a higher but ended at a lower price. Kaya siya red candlestick. Opened at higher. Tama, 86.80, close at 86.50. So sideways pa rin si BDO. Okay, BDO is working on update. Are you having problems with application of BDO on their online banking? I'm having problems yesterday and probably this is the reason. So meron silang bug perhaps on the application. Okay, let's take a look at the resistance, support level in BDO. Ito pa rin siya. Nasa support pa rin siya. 85.45, 86.50. And the resistance is here. Nearest resistance is this, 90. Ang second resistance niya ito, nasa 93. Okay, and I expect BDO to move sideways without a catalyst. Okay, let's take a look at another stock. GFC. GFC is another strong stock today. Ayan, breakout siya. There's volume. So it opened at 140, ended at 144.80, or 4.10% higher than the previous close. So if you'll see, the EMA 20 is about to cross the EMA 50, indicating a bullish momentum. Plus, it's a solid green candlestick. So I expect GFC to move higher in the following day. Unless, of course, mag-profit taking yung mga traders. The resistance is, let's take a look at where the resistance is. Resistance level na to, but the next resistance is 149. And if ever there will be profit taking, the support, the nearest support would be 136. Sige, next stock is now. Okay, now is green today, only that it is a very short candlestick, which means that there might be a trend reversal in the coming days. So this is a green candlestick, but it is a wick candlestick. You see the wick here there's a wick upwards and downwards, and the body is very small, indicating a wick candle, or wick candle. So it will probably move. Actually, I see it moving sideways, so within this range. So I can see the nearest resistance here, dito, and the nearest support here, 2.88 and 3.73. Tingnan natin yung SNR. Yan, iba yung resistance niya, pero ito yung maganda in between sa dalawa. Pero yung support, nakuha ko yung support. Pero anyway, a resistance kasi is an area. So I expect it to move within this area and sideways in the following days. And let's take a look at another one, PX. PX naman, tagalin natin to. May bounce siya, and it bounced it's above the 20-day moving average. So there was an overshoot here, but it bounced today. So the resistance is here, and the support is here. So Philex kasi ang business niyan is mining. So if you take a look at it just follows the value of gold. Tingnan natin yung site muna tayo. XAUSD. Ayan o. Ganyan yung movement ng gold Tingnan mo yung movement ni Philex. Halos pareho. Halos pareho siya. So it follows the movement of gold. So nag-cup and handle siya dito. Ito rin cup and handle. Okay. So let's take a look at another stock, APX. Ito kapareho rin ito ng Philex. It follows the movement of gold. Yan. So meron siyang bounce. Pagka nag-bounce ng gold, nagpa-bounce din siya. Nag-bounce siya sa EMA 100. So this is the nearest resistance now. Nearest support now. And the nearest resistance is here. 1.6. Kapareho lang dito. Pero ito mas narrower to Ito yung support niya. Ito yung support ng gold. Ito yung live prices po ito. Wait. Horizontal line. Ito yung support niya. Ito yung nearest resistance ni gold. Okay, tingnan pa natin yung isa. PNB. Bumaba si PNB. Ayan, nag-profit taking lang siya dito, and I expect it to move sideways in the following days. This is the nearest support. And this is the nearest resistance. So, sideways lang siya in the following days. Without a catalyst. So, last na tayo, CLI. Ito yung merong project sa Mindanao na nakompleto. It went down today, 4.84 from an opening of 4.85. And it's a red candlestick. Ang support niya is here. And resistance, nearest resistance is here, 5.06. Okay. And then last, we have IMI. Ang IMI, may news tayo kanina that in its debut in the New York Stock Exchange, bumaba yung presyo niya. No? So I was expecting the same here, but it just moved slightly down. So nandito na siya at support level. And resistance, new resistance is here. So if the stock in New York would move downwards, I would also expect it to move downwards. So to summarize, 88 stocks advanced, 109 declined, while 52 remained unchanged. Total trades was 85,110, while the total stocks traded was 249. On the indices ended up mixed. The financials, industrials, and mining are in the green, while the holding companies, the property, and services were in the red. On the all-share index, it shed 9.88 points, or 0.28%. That's it for the summary. Okay, before I leave, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. As much as possible, I do the report every day after the market has closed. So I leave you this quote: an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. This is Benji Chidoro saying bye for now and see you in the next episode.